Why does that look gold like that?
It's metal.
It's metal.
Yeah, it's metal.
Well, I mean, I knew it was a chrome tire.
It's metal from the brake dragging metal to metal. When you have a brake dragging from metal to metal, that's what it looks like. Metal on metal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks kind of gold.
Well, the pad is eating the metal off of here, so that's why it looks that way.
So what part is destroyed?
This is destroyed.
That's destroyed?
And that's destroyed.
Talk to me about that. Show me where it's destroyed.
When the pads wear out. Okay.
Yeah, it's touching it, isn't it? Yeah, that's touching it.
On the inside of here, this is called the brake pad. There is this fiber right here. When that wears off, you're down to the metal, as you can see, down to the metal. Now, when that padding wears off, you get metal to metal, and it will eat each other up. Every time you press on the brakes, you get metal. That's why you hear.
Oh, that's the squeaking noise I've been hearing.
Because there's no more pad on there. You see a pad in there?
Okay.
It's all gone.
How does that happen?
By using brakes.
But you're supposed to use your brakes.
Yeah, and they're supposed to wear out.
Well, how long are they supposed to last?
As long as you can get them to last. If you don't use your brakes all the time, they'll last longer.
Well, I'm not a heavy foot on the brake. I mean, I'm not
You're the one that's been driving it.
But I mean, I don't like. I just use the brakes to stop at stop signs and traffic lights. So I don't get it. When was the last time they were changed?
I don't know. This is a guessing game here. I see. Well, 7/16. So if it isn't a 7/16, it means it's supposed to be a 3/8. We'll see if it's a 3/8. Well, let's see if it's a 3/8.
So do you remember when the last time the brake pads were changed?
I don't know. It's even loose on a 3/8. Oh, that's another 7/16. That's a 10. A 3/8 doesn't work, so 10 works. Metric on American truck.